Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Dodge Charger steering wheel. First, safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents any accidental airbag deployment or electrical shorts during the process. After disconnecting, wait at least 10 minutes for the airbag system's capacitors to fully discharge. Finally, ensure your front wheels are perfectly straight before proceeding with any further steps. Now, let's move on to safely removing the airbag module. You'll find two small access holes on either side of the steering wheel. Using a small flathead screwdriver, gently insert it into these holes to release the spring clips holding the airbag. Once released, carefully pull the airbag module away from the wheel. Then, disconnect the two electrical connectors located on the back of the module, setting the airbag aside in a safe place. With the airbag safely removed, it's time to detach the steering wheel itself. First, disconnect any additional electrical connectors that might be present behind the airbag module. Next, use a 21mm socket wrench to loosen and remove the large center nut securing the steering wheel to the column. Before pulling, mark the steering wheel and shaft to ensure perfect alignment when installing the new wheel. Then, gently pull the wheel straight off. Installing your new steering wheel is essentially the reverse process. Carefully align the new wheel with the marks you made on the steering column to ensure it's straight. Reinstall the center nut, tightening it to 45 foot-pounds of torque for secure attachment. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the airbag module, then firmly push the airbag back into its housing until it clicks. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal and test all steering wheel functions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.